Hey y'all, welcome to T-Ham141 Homestead. My name is Tracy. If this is your first time here, welcome. If it's your millionth time here, welcome back. There's just something not right with you, is there? Anyway, for years on the homestead, I have had an air compressor that was Trevor's. Turns out he bought it because he wants to use it from time to time. And now between him and Matt, that compressor is going back and forth quite regularly, which is fine. That's what friends do. But it's about time I bought my own. So I did. Who'da had a hitty? And this is the one I got. It's a McGraw 21-gallon oil-free air compressor, 175 psi, so it should run all the air compressor tools I need. And it should do everything I need. So let's see if we can get it down off here and do an unboxing. Now this cost me right around $300. They had cheaper ones, but I didn't want cheap. I wanted something that's going to last me a while. Something that can be stored. Ooh, it's got bolts. Instructions. Cheap wheels, I know. The next one up was $400. Otherwise, I would have got that. And there's a reason for all this too. I got a flat tire on the tractor. Somebody keeps leaving nails around. Tractors and nails don't get along. My stickers are all coming off. Clean air filter regularly or avoid warranty. And this. Yeah. Alright, also from Harbor Freight, I am not affiliated by the way. I got this 3/8 inch by 50 foot hybrid air hose. Don't know what the hybrid means. Don't care what the hybrid means. Hey Harbor Freight, with all the stuff I buy from you guys and show on my channel, you ought to send me some love. You know? This air hose was about, I think it was $45 total with this kit. I'm an inside track club, or yeah, inside trading club or whatever, and so I got this at $4 off. I'll take it. $4 is $4, man. Now let's see if this bad boy works. Also from Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight, I ain't joking. Hit me up, man. Cheap sponsorship. El momento of truth. That is awful quiet. Okay, there's no moisture under there or in the tank. That is a petcock that will allow you to get moisture out of your tank because it'll build up over time. All right, we will go plug that tire. Meet me over to the tractor, would ya? All right, what we have here is the idiot who owns this tractor. Anyway, the idiot who owns this tractor drove over a nail. And I'm hoping that's all. There we go. Okay, now I have your handy dandy Pittsburgh plug kit. You got your plugs. You got your razor knife to cut the plug off when you're done. You got your reamer. And what you do with the reamer, you find the hole and you ream it. You want to rough that up. We're going to take our handy dandy little thingy, little plug. There we go. And we're going to go all the way to the middle, just like that. Now we're going to take our rubber cement, flip the cap over and puncture the seal. Now I'm going to start at the middle and work my way out. All the way. On both sides. Now I'm going to rough it up, make sure it's nice and warm. Now I'm going to take this, stick it in there, so that, and then pull it out. I'll be back. Hey y'all, while you're waiting for me to get back, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, that little notification bell so that you get notified every time I come out with new content. Hey, and go check out the merch shop. This shirt is on there. This is a work shirt now because I got it messed up. I don't do white very well. I just got to get my air chuck thingy to make sure that it's the right 50 pounds of pressure. Okay, there's 50. I'm going to drive it for a few seconds because sometimes that'll help clear out and reseat the bead. Okay, I'm over here where I got better ground to work on. Yes, I took care of that nail, by the way. Let's see what we're at. Wow. Excuse me while I go get a spray bottle. Okay, this is the expensive way of doing it, but oh yeah. Other side's golden. I'll show you a little trick. Okay, what's happening is this bead unseated, which I needed it to do. But now I need to seat that bead. So I'm going to put this strap around the center. What I need is good, even pressure. I need good, even pressure in the center to try to seal this bead. There we go. sure y'all saw all that. And now it's just over there. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna drive it around a little bit to hopefully see this bead. Let's see what we're looking at here. Little bit right there. All right, y'all. It's not the best fix in the world. It's not the worst fix in the world, but it's my fix. The old Branson is kicking butt and taking names. I got some work to do with it. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It's mud season. Yeah, I might have to take and tube this tire. I don't know. We will find out. Might have to tube both the front tires. If I'm gonna do one, might as well do both, right? All right, y'all hit that like button, that subscribe button, that little notification bell so that you get notified every time I come out with new content. Check out the merch shop, get some merch. Jesus Praising Chicken Raisin Homesteader is just one of them. Got a lot of them. All right, y'all have a great day. We love you, and God bless.